Question 15, part A. Factorise a squared minus b squared. Now there's a piece of knowledge that comes in really useful here, and that this is called the difference, because it's a subtraction of two squares. And straight away you can write down a plus b lots of a minus b, and you have factorised it. The brackets can be in any order, and that's how you get the mark. If you had forgotten that, you can work it out, although it's going to be a little bit harder because you'd have to put in the 0b in the middle. So like you'd have x squared plus 5x minus 10. Here I've got a squared plus 0b minus b squared. So I want two numbers if I'm factorising, because it's going to be an a and an a, that add up to nothing, no amounts of b, but multiply to minus b, and that's going to have to be positive b and minus b. B take b is nothing, which we don't actually write, and b times minus b is minus b squared. Part B, hence, and there's a really important word there. Hence means use the information you've already come up with in part A to help you, or otherwise, because there is other ways of doing it, simplify fully this. And again, you can notice it's the difference of two squares. X squared plus 4 all squared is a square number. X squared minus 2 all squared is a square number, and there's a difference here. So the easiest way is to say x squared plus 4 I'm going to call a, and x squared minus 2 I'm going to call b. And that process picks you up a mark. But it says I've got to simplify it, so I have to carry out the expansion of the brackets and the taking away. So I'm going to use my answer to part A, so I'm going to have to do a plus b. So my first bracket, a, so it's x squared plus 4 plus b, x squared minus 2, multiplied by a, x squared plus 4, take away b, which is x squared minus 2. Make sure you put that in brackets because you're taking away all of it. And writing out that process gets you the second mark. Now this tidies up quite quickly. X squared plus x squared, for this first bracket, will be 2x squared. 4 take 2 is obviously 2. And for the second bracket, x squared take x squared is going to be 0. 4 take minus 2 is just going to leave you with 6. So this comes to 12x squared plus 12, which gets you the third mark. You're welcome to factorise it back into 12 lots of x squared plus 1, and that would get you the third mark as well.